Strong hook. Imagine spending hours crafting the perfect prompt, only for ChatGPT to completely miss the mark, giving you generic, useless responses. What if I told you there's one simple trick that instantly transforms your AI interactions, making it hyper-focused and incredibly accurate? Setup. You're probably thinking, yeah, right, another ChatGPT tip. But seriously, if you've ever felt like you're talking to a digital wall, getting vague answers, or spending too much time refining your prompts, this video is for you. We're not just tweaking a setting. We're fundamentally changing how you communicate with the AI software. You'll discover how to get laser-focused output, unlock creative breakthroughs you didn't think were possible, and slash your task completion time by half. This isn't just about using AI tools. It's about mastering them for peak productivity AI. And at the 4-minute mark, I'll show you something that completely changed how I think about this, revealing a hidden capability of ChatGPT you've never considered. Main point 1. So, what's this game-changing trick? It's called role prompting. Instead of just telling ChatGPT what to do, you tell it who to be. Think about it. If you ask a general question to a general AI, you get a general answer. But if you ask a question to a seasoned marketing strategist specializing in SaaS startups, suddenly the responses become incredibly nuanced, tailored, and actionable. I stumbled upon this when I was struggling to write a compelling email subject line for a new AI software launch. I tried dozens of variations, getting bland, predictable suggestions. Then I wrote, act as a direct response copywriter with 15 years of experience in high-converting email campaigns. Your task is to generate 10 subject lines for a new AI productivity tool targeting small business owners. The difference was night and day. ChatGPT didn't just give me subject lines. It gave me subject lines with psychological triggers, urgency, and clear benefits, all from the perspective of an expert. It understood the intent behind the role, not just the words. This simple mental shift transformed my output quality. But how deep does this rabbit hole actually go? Main point 2. The real power of role prompting isn't just getting better answers. It's about consistency and efficiency. When you establish a role, ChatGPT's internal knowledge base and reasoning patterns get filtered through that specific lens. Instead of pulling from its entire vast dataset, it prioritizes information relevant to that persona. For example, I've used Act as a senior software engineer specializing in Python for data analysis to debug complex code snippets in minutes, something that would have taken me an hour of searching Stack Overflow. Or act as a seasoned financial advisor for young professionals to draft clear, concise explanations of investment strategies. This isn't just a hack, it's a fundamental shift in prompt engineering, turning a general-purpose AI into a highly specialized AI tool on demand. Remember what I said at the start about changing how you think? Here's why it matters. You're not just getting better answers, you're essentially cloning expertise for free every single time you use ChatGPT. This dramatically boosts your productivity AI by eliminating trial and error. But what if you need more than just one expert's opinion? Main point 3. Here's where it gets really wild, and this is the aha moment I promised. What if you could combine multiple expert perspectives into one prompt? Yes, you can. I call this the expert council approach. Instead of just one role, you assign 2, 3, or even 4 distinct roles to ChatGPT, asking it to synthesize their insights. For instance, I needed help outlining a complex video series. I prompted, act as a YouTube content strategist, a seasoned scriptwriter, and an SEO expert. Collaborate to outline a 5-part video series on advanced automation tools. Ensure each video has a strong hook, clear learning objectives, and incorporates relevant keywords for maximum visibility. The output wasn't just good, it was a comprehensive, multifaceted strategy that considered audience engagement, narrative flow, and discoverability. It's like having a team of consultants on retainer instantly available through your ChatGPT interface. This isn't just about getting information, it's about generating synthesized wisdom from multiple specialized viewpoints. It's counterintuitive because we often think of AI as a single entity, but by giving it multiple personas, you unlock a collaborative intelligence you didn't know existed. Think about the implications for brainstorming, problem solving, or even creative writing. What kind of expert counsel could you assemble for your next big project? Main point 4. So, how do you actually put this into practice? It's simple. First, identify the task you want ChatGPT to help with. Second, think about who the ideal expert would be for that task. Is it a technical writer for complex user manuals, a creative director for advertising campaigns, a legal assistant specializing in contract review? Be as specific as possible. Third, formulate your prompt starting with act as a specific role. Your task is to specific task. If you're feeling adventurous, try the expert counsel approach. Act as a role 1, a role 2, and a role 3. Your goal is to complex task by synthesizing your expertise. Experiment. You'll find that the more precise your role definition, the better the output. This isn't just about using AI tools more effectively, it's about transforming your entire workflow. Imagine getting professional-grade help for content creation, detailed research analysis, or even coding assistance, all within minutes. It's a massive leap in how we interact with AI software, turning it from a general assistant into your personal team of specialists. Start small, try one role, see the difference, and then gradually build up your expert counsel. What's the first role you're going to assign? Conclusion plus CTA. So, by simply telling ChatGPT who to be, you unlock an unprecedented level of precision and expertise, transforming your productivity and the quality of your output. This role prompting technique, especially with the expert counsel approach, is truly a game changer for anyone looking to master their automation tools and streamline their digital life. I'd love to know, what's the most surprising role you've assigned to ChatGPT, and what results did you get? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this trick genuinely useful and want more actionable AI tools, insights, make sure to subscribe to AI Tools Daily. You won't want to miss what's next.